um my subscribers. I don't know if anybody's experiencing what I'm experiencing. You don't understand, because the rate at which I planted, yes, I remember I planted tomatoes. I also planted some, what's it called, pepper, chili pepper. But to my amazement, I am not. It is not giving me. It is not giving. You don't understand. That is a word people used to say, that it is not giving. It is not giving. Like, it is over a month or more. But okay, I'm not even seeing no signs. You don't understand. I'm not seeing no signs of no pepper here. Looking on this bed now, this is where this one's all these things you're seeing here are not pepper. These ones, they are just grasses which are. But I have not seen. So I don't really know what is the problem. Is it from the seedlings, or the weather is too harsh for it, or what exactly could be the problem? It's my vegetable. Let's see. They are doing well, but I think so. There are some insects who are really disturbing them. Also, here I have my, how is it called, my tomatoes on this particular bed as well. But sir, I cannot see it. The water leaf stems, or how will I even put it, that I put here, they are the ones that are even doing well. You don't understand. But I'm not seeing no tomato, no even sign of it. Like, what is the problem? Please, if you know how these things are planted, okay, you have an idea on how tomatoes are planted, please, 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 what you do for me is hit it in the comment section, and then, or if you know why till now, why it is not showing for that something was put on this bed. So please, if you know what is the problem, or is why is the tomato and the pepper taking time, because I know from my own findings, I know very well that tomato pepper takes a month, or a month plus, or more than a month, sometimes 30 something weeks, 30 something years weeks, before it can really start sprouting. But then for the tomato, I don't really know what's the problem, because it is not showing forth. So, but hopefully and joyfully, let's still see. So please, and please, if you know what could be the problem, you have an idea, please, there's something you can also do. What is that? Hit it on the comment section. And if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, this is the first time you're seeing my face, because I know you might not actually like my face, just hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video just like this one, because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agric. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me see what is really wrong.